your question is, are we living in a quantum simulation? So if we look at it, and this is the book that you referred to, Ex Machina, the God experiment. So I was, I think it's 2 years ago, I sat down in one of those quintessential bars in Vienna with 12 quantum physicists. So they all work in the same company. They're not building a quantum computer, but they are building the middleware and the software and the front end on the operating systems on quantum. So they are also working with various quantum computers, but nonetheless, these were very, very smart, genius scientists, physicists, trained physicists on quantum theory that had different understanding on what quantum physics tells us. Some were leaning towards the Copenhagen interpretation, where there is some kind of collapse of the wave function with the observer. Others more toward multi-world interpretation, and so on. So they were working on this company, and I said to them, "Can you prove to me with math and quantum physics that we are not living in a simulation?" And my now co-author, Dr. Florian Neukert, he called me 3 months later and he said, Anders, I haven't literally slept in 3 months now. I can't do it. I thought it should be some way to kind of sort of use math to make an accessible future, that we can explain that this is some kind of base reality. So I said to him, "Well, you're probably familiar with Nick Bostrom's, theory, and hypothesis." And I explained a little bit about my view to that, and we got into that pondering. And he said, "This is very interesting." So since then, we have been doing a lot of sci-fi. When we say sci-fi, we mean science philosophy.